When it comes to dieting and staying healthy, it can be hard to know where to begin. There are so many diet plans out there, from keto to paleo. It can be difficult to figure out which one is right for you. For those just starting out on a healthy lifestyle journey, the best diet plan for beginners is one that is balanced and sustainable. A balanced diet should consist of all the major food groups in moderate amounts. This means eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and healthy fats. Eating this way will provide your body with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to stay healthy and energized. It is also important to find a diet plan that is sustainable. This means it should be something you can stick with for the long term. An effective diet plan should be enjoyable, realistic, and tailored to your lifestyle and food preferences. If you're looking for some guidance, you can start by tracking your food intake and physical activity for a week with an app. This can help you identify any unhealthy eating habits you may have and give you an idea of how much you should eat. You can also use one of the online calculators to determine your daily caloric intake needs. Additionally, you may want to look into meal planning. This involves a weekly grocery list and cooking meals in advance, so you don't have to worry about what to eat later on. Meal planning can save you time and money. Overall, the best diet plan for beginners is one that is balanced and sustainable. It should include all the major food groups and be tailored to your individual needs. Tracking your food intake and physical activity can help you get a better idea of how much you should eat. Meal planning can help you keep on track with everything. With the right tools and guidance, you can achieve a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions at all, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Thanks.